Hi everybody. Uh, Today I'm gonna present you Chlorio Wallet. I don't know if anybody already used Chlorio Wallet, but today this is my presentation. So what are we going to talk about? We are going to talk about who we are, what is Chlorio, how is Chlorio safe, what are the features, and how you can get support about Chlorio Wallet. So who am I? I am Carbonara, and I am part of a small remote development team, and which has the passion of building blockchain ecosystems. And we are also experienced block producers in some other blockchain projects. People have been staking with us over $350 million. So let's talk about Chlorio Wallet and what is it. Well, Gloria wallet is a Mina Protocol wallet built with simplicity in mind, and we support different operative systems, the major ones. So we support Mac OS X, Linux, and Windows, but also we support Ledger hardware wallet. Since we started, we had over 40,000 users. Well, we don't really precisely can say how many users we have because we have a zero tracking policy, but we can see numbers to our DNS requests, and we can see that we had over 40,000 unique IPs. Our community has grown a lot, and currently in our Discord channels, we have over 550 members, which is really amazing to see such a growing community. Chlorio, it's part of the Mina Foundation grant program, which means that Mina Foundation has been supporting our development with a grant. But this doesn't mean that we are from Mina Foundation or O1 Labs. We are, Chlorio, it's a product of the WeStay Club, so we are not affiliated with them. They just help us with support. So let's go forward and let's see what are the advantages of using Chlorio wallet. Well, first of all, Chlorio wallet, it's a self-custodian wallet. That means that you are the owner of your keys. So you are essentially your own bank. Just to give an example, if you go to an exchange, you are not the owner of that funds because the exchange is the owner of the private key of that wallet. We are open source, and we use a cool stack. That's what we call it, because we are built on top of TypeScript, we use React, and we use GraphQL. So all the latest, coolest technologies on the space. Our code is available on GitHub. If you find an issue, you can just open a report there, and we can fix it and so on. So forward, we are very much feedback oriented. That means that we are very open to listen feedbacks to see what are the pain points on how we can improve. We every day have discussions on Discord about new features, and we are always there to help if there is any need. We, as was mentioning before, Chlorio has the aim to be simple because we believe that blockchains don't need to be complex or hard to use. We just believe in accessible products, and that's why we prioritize a lot intuitive UIs with Chlorio. With Chlorio, we provide batteries included staking dashboard. That means that our staking dashboard is should be ready for everything. So you can choose your validators, you can choose have insights about validators and so on, but we will go through that a little bit further later. And since we are a feedback-oriented product, we also have a very supportive community, mostly on Discord. So if you have any issue with Chlorio, or if you have any question on how a feature works, or you just need to talk to somebody, we are there. And we have also our docs that I will show you later how to get into the user docs. Going forward, how is Chlorio safe? Well, it's very important. This is a wallet, and it's important to talk a little bit about security. So what's under the hood? Let's start with the journey of a Mina wallet. When you open Chlorio, you, as a first-time user, the very first thing you need to do is to generate your key pair. That means you need to get your private key and your public key. This is done in local. It's very important that it's done in local, and there is no server or anything else that is providing you a key pair. It's your computer that is generating your key pair. So only you know about the key pair, so the private key and the public key. Once you are ready in your wallet, you received your first transaction, you're very happy with your Mina, it's time to make your first transaction. Well, when you make a transaction, essentially you are just cryptographically signing a transaction. Means that you, with your private key, you sign a transaction that then gets included in the blockchain. You are signing this transaction with Chlorio on local. This whole signature process, it's run on local. So once you sign your transaction, Chlorio will automatically bring out the signature of this transaction, and the signature of these transactions gets sent to Chlorio server. Chlorio server at this point will take this signature and will send it to the Mina blockchain, and then at that point the transaction is irreversible and it's there forever on the blockchain. This means that Chlorio will never ever send your private key out of your computer. The key is only used in local to sign your transaction. If you're a tech person, I always suggest people to inspect the traffic of your wallet. So, but not only with Chlorio, but with all the wallets you use, you should always do your due diligence and check if what the wallet is promising you is true. If you need help with that to verify, I'm very happy to get in touch with you afterwards on Discord to show you how to verify that Chlorio is doing exactly that. Some safety tips. We have the browser version and we have the desktop client. We always strongly suggest to use the desktop client, and the browser, I wouldn't recommend to use browser for wallet operations because I don't consider browser safe. So I think it's always good to download your own desktop application of Chlorio. Use an hardware wallet. If you have a ledger, you will never need to remember about your private key, which is awesome. So if you have it, use a ledger wallet. Safely store the key somewhere. That means try to write it down, the private key, because if you lose that private key, you have no access anymore to the funds. Never share your key with anyone. There is no tech support that needs your key or any friend that needs your key. Once your key is out, your funds are also out, so don't. Also, it's very bad practice to store your key on a computer. You should always use a cold storage mechanism, so write it down on a piece of paper and store it somewhere else. And always analyze. Never trust somebody that tells you that, hey, you need to put your private key here. Always use your own diligence to check, is this really legit? If you're feeling pressure, just rather don't do the operation than risking your key. So what are the features of Chlorio? What Chlorio can do? Well, we developed Mina Ledger.js, which is a library that allows any JavaScript and non-probably JavaScript project to integrate Ledger wallets. This means that anybody can use Ledger now, and Chlorio is based on this. So Chlorio uses Mina Ledger.js to support Ledger hardware wallet. We built the staking app on Chlorio, that's what I was telling you before, which essentially is this little dashboard. Right now, it's you can only see the validators list with their fees and their websites, and you can stake and unstake from them. We are continuously building the wallet, and also the staking hub page. This is just the beginning. We will have many other tools available there. What's next? Yes, this is a little cute features, I think. It's just every address has its own avatar, and it's just a cool feature, not essential, but yes, you can choose your own avatar in the future. Since we were talking about security before, we provide for every new wallet, we provide a paper wallet where you should not store on your computer, of course. This is made for just printing it and storing it for convenience. And of course, many new features are coming soon. As I was saying before, we are under very active development. Currently, we've been audited by List Security, which is a very big security firm for the crypto space. And yeah, we tend to make release at least once a month. Currently, we are a little bit slowed down due to the security audit, but we already developed new features for the new releases. And if you need support or you want to chat, these are our links. You can download Chlorio on chlor.io. You can find the documentation and the frequently asked questions on docs.chlor.io. If you have any question, you need help, or you need, you're not sure about how something works, you can join us on Discord. Maybe take a screenshot or write me on Discord, and I will give you an invite for our Discord. And if you want to stake with us, we have a 2% validation fee, which is pretty small, and we are always happy to build community around. So you can reach us on mina.westake.club. That's it from our side. A little bit more links, and Twitter, Carbonara Crypto, or yes, Westake Club, Discord channel. I don't know if there is any question from the audience. Yes, there was a question. Mina wallet, please. Yes, and here we are with Chlorio wallet. Are you planning to develop a Chlorio wallet app on iOS? Well, we would really love to develop Chlorio for iOS and Android. There are so many things that needs to be done, and mobile support will take a little bit, will take a while. What will, let's see if there are any other questions about Chlorio. I just want to say to Carbonara, awesome job. Thank you very much. Your support is very welcome. Are you open for collaborations? Yes, just join our Westake Club Discord chat and let's talk. Are you planning to develop a Google Chrome extension? Yes, that is in the plan and most likely will come sooner than an iOS or Android version. Thanks for the presentation. Are you planning to add password to access the wallet instead of the private key? Yes, definitely. This is something that we are improving, and it will be improved from the next versions. We will go for the mnemonics path, so we will improve it on this side. So no more usage of private key, so it will become more friendly. So definitely, let's do it.